Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week. Trend of the Week this week is Lidar. You know what radar is? It uses radio waves to bounce off things and then tell you where they are. Lidar, which is light detection, uses lasers to do the same thing. Since out a laser, you get a lot more penetration, you get a lot faster. It's very, very important being used in self-driving automobiles. Tesla does not use Lidar. It uses instead simple vision. It's an 8-camera system that it then runs through a artificial intelligence, which says machine learning. Lidar is being used by GM, BMW, Mercedes, Volvo, among others, and because they think that it gives a better picture of what's around the cars. So let me talk about the four stocks. I feel these 4 charts should come with some kind of audience warning. They are truly ugly, and I'll talk about why. First one is Luminar. This has probably got the highest profile in the sector, but you notice that we're still talking about a stock that was at $36 a share back a year ago and is now trading for $16. So it's been cut in half. Hey, big deal. But they also have deals with Mercedes, BMW, and Volvo. Jefferies just came out recently and put a $20 target price on the stock. It's the biggest. It's got a market cap of about 5.7 billion. Okay, here we're talking about a company called Ouster. And you notice that we're talking about now $15 down to, $3.50. So this is now a penny stock. All these are very young companies. We don't know exactly how they're going to turn out. This one, which is called Velodyne Lidar, doesn't even have that big spike. It's just got a pretty steady decline. So we're now down in penny territory for this one too. And the last one is a company called Innoviz Zoom. One of the reasons those charts look so ugly is because a lot of these companies were IPOs or even SPACs. And recent IPOs, companies not making money, and especially SPACs, have been hammered in this market, just devastated. So one of the advantages of that to you as an investor is the possibility you could, I don't know which one of these is going to win. No one does at this point. I like Luminar because of its partners. You could get, for a relatively small amount of money, exposure to all of these. You could form your own little basket. One of the things about this is that the question is whether Tesla is going to go into this camp. The Washington Post ran a really interesting story on showing some footage, some video of Tesla's cars using the Tesla system trying to drive. There's about 60,000 Teslas out on the road with the Tesla self-driving system. They're acting as unpaid product developers because basically what Tesla is doing is trying to train its system using input from all of these cars out there so that it gets smarter and smarter and smarter. The question is whether it's going to be able to do this or whether it simply doesn't have enough definition in the system, in which point Tesla will have to add Lidar or go to Lidar. This is a race that's still to be decided. I think it's really interesting. And as I say, it's cheap enough, and the upside is so tremendous that if any of these companies win, it would pay for the others getting wiped out. So anyway, this is Jim Jubak. If you like this video, please give us a like. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel so that way you get notification when we've done more. You can go to free site, jubakpicks.com. It's got 3 portfolios, or you can get more for my paid site with 6 portfolios, including some that are volatile enough to take a Lidar stock or 2. And that's jubakam.com. You find all those below. Thanks very much for watching.